Hello everyone, thank you guys for passing by my channel. Good evening and good morning and good afternoon, wherever you're watching me from. Today we are going to make our delicacy, which is called African salad, guys. As you guys can see, I have prepared a lot of things, so I will go into tell you what we are going to do now. This is my ABACHA African salad, and this is a bowl. I will add my ABACHA into my bowl and add hot water just for 1 minute. Okay, my hot water, I will pour the hot water all over the place for 1 minute. Okay guys, I have getting the plastic. I have washed the ABACHA out. It's called African salad, and I will add my oil. This is my oil to the bowl. Okay, so I'll add my potash. I have already soaked my potash, and I will sieve it. Okay, so I will use my mortar stick to turn it to ABACHA. Sorry guys. ABACHA, because I'm not going to get ABACHA very well. After all, it's then after you have done that, you add your locust beans. Okay, black pepper. I add my ehuru now, crayfish. I'll add my red pepper, my Scottish bonnet pepper. I'll add my okazi. Guys, I don't know the English name. You guys should not say the angle. Okazi. People that knows the English name, in the comment section, please leave the English name below. So this is my cow skin, the cow leg. I have already diced them. I'll add it. So this is my oba. I'll add my ABACHA, which I have already washed out, and wash out for sand, okay? In case if it's not your mother that prepared it for you from Africa, wash out for sand, okay? So Maggi will go on top. I will get in the water from the cow leg. Look at it. The water from the cow leg. Remember that I put this thing on it. I put paprika before cooking it, and I'll add salt. I'll add salt. Okay. So you will remove this thing. You will use this thing to clean use the ABACHA. The oil will be enough. I'll just add more on top of it. So you put it in your hand and start mixing everything together. As you're mixing it, you're squashing it, okay? Like you're mixing a dough, okay? So continuously, this ABACHA is mixed with okazi. You test if the salt is okay, test if the maggi is okay, pepper and everything, and it's done. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. For more video, if you don't subscribe, there is no way you can get to receive my new videos, okay? And turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Okay guys, thank you.